Here's my outline. Now, if you could time travel, what would be the first historical event you could go back to? Now, time travel has been a question for ages for all philosophers. And today I'm going to be talking about the theory of relativity, the speed of light, and about wormholes. Now, I have read many articles on this, a couple of which were Matt Williams, January 2022, What is Einstein's Theory of Relativity? Vicky Stein, October 2024, What is the Speed of Light? And Nora Taylor Tillman and Elisa Harvey, March 2024, What are wormholes? Today, I'll be discussing Einstein's theory of relativity, the speed of light, and wormholes. Now to start off, Einstein's theory of relativity is basically that time is relative to everyone. Everyone is at different points in time depending on what they do. Now, this could mean everyone slept for a different amount of time and wake up at different amounts, or that just being born, everyone's at different times in their lives, just because right when you're born, that's when time starts for you and it doesn't feel like anything. So are we all 19, let's say, in our lives? Or has time caught up and we are all living in the exact same time? Now, according to Matt Williams, January 2022, what is Einstein's theory of relativity? That the biggest theory of how to travel back in time was that there is a train station and a clock on the train station. Now, if you got on that train and went away from it at the speed of light, you would never see that clock move. So time around you would stop. And then if you went faster than the speed of light, you would eventually start seeing everything in reverse. So would you technically be traveling back in time? Now, according to Nora Taylor Tillman and Elisa Harvey, what are wormholes? Wormholes are basically a strong gravitational force in space that creates a very vast and long tunnel that would allow you to get to two very, let's just say, these 2 points have a very large amount of distance between them, and you get through it like that. So theoretically, you're not traveling through time, but you're eliminating a lot of the distance, which would take a lot of time, and you're getting there in 0 seconds. Now, according to Vicky Stein, October 2024, what is the speed of light? The speed of light is only been achieved by one thing in the universe, and that is light. Now, if we could go faster than the speed of light, that would allow us to not only get to places so much faster, but it would allow us to go faster in light, and we'd be able to see pictures that we were not able to see before. Now, also with the speed of light, it would allow us to get to other planets, and it would require an object with zero mass to be able to travel the speed of light, because when you do, it would create such a gravitational pull and require so much energy that Earth and life around us could not sustain that. Now, going back to wormholes, the speed of light kind of goes into it, and it kind of goes in with the theory of relativity. All of these together could help us achieve time travel. There's not one specific way saying this is how it has to be done. There's many possibilities of how it could be done. With the speed of light, we would have to find a way to have something with mass be able to go the speed of light. We'd have to find a sufficient energy source for it. With wormholes, so far they're only a theory. They're not proven yet. So if we can actually theoretically prove wormholes and figure out how to use that energy in a safe way to transport someone or something through it, that would be another way of time travel. And the theory of relativity basically allows you, it's the understanding of just what time is around us, how it's different for everybody, and how it affects us. Now, time travel could be happening without our knowledge. It could be solved when we figure out the speed of light or figure out wormholes, or theoretically, it could never happen. But with how long the Earth's been around and how long it will be around, there's a good chance that this will happen. Now, time travel has been impossible throughout our history. and the idea of time travel has stumped philosophers for ages. As we gain technology and knowledge of the world around us, time travel could be happening before we could know.